Wagwan people, me man, yeah, Mr. B. Me have a little thing when I want raise with them this evening. Sometimes some people come in your life and them come to provide a little lesson. And because of who them is, we don't even bother pay no mind to them. We figure say, sure, them are not nobody. And we want diss them, write them off. But them come to give you a lesson. Good example of that, Yellowman. Yellowman, Winston Foster, come into the world and when him born, it looked like his mother put him in one paper bag. In them days, Grace used to make some big paper bag, shopping bag. Mother put him in one of them bag there and left him on the sidewalk out of Maxfield Avenue, Chisholm Avenue area there. And there's a rubbish truck, man, them a pass and see this bag on the roadside and decide, so hold on. You know, typically them would just throw the bag, because them figure rubbish and throw it in the back of the truck. But one of them man them look and realize there's a picnic in the bag, because I'm born as a Dundus, albino. Jamaica man called albino, Dundus. And so the man them carry the baby down a Maxfield Park Children's Home. And that's Yellowman. You know, Yellowman moved from one children's home or place of safety to the next. Him go Eventide home, Arms House we used to call that. He end up a Stony Hill and he end up a Alpha Boys School where the sister Ignatius, him say, teach him like a thing about music. And Yellowman decides a boy I diss him no. And him take that and ride it to the point where Yellowman is one of the most prolific dancehall artists in the history of dancehall music. In fact, they say Beanie Man and Vybz Kartel, them rare about who are king of dancehall, Yellowman. Considering where I come from, Yellowman never even supposed to exist. Right? His mother dash him away. Imagine a woman birth a picnic and dash it away on the roadside. And thank God for the garbage man them. Yellowman exists today. And look at what Yellowman has done with the chance he get. He made himself an internationally renowned DJ. Take Jamaica DJ dancehall music to the top of the pinnacles of the world. Right? Get, overseas recording contract. I think it was with CBS Records. And has produced over 50 odd record albums. The stone where the builder refused. Implicit in a Yellowman existence is a message to the youth them out there. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Right? Yellowman today, has earned that respectability. His children, daughter is an attorney at law, if I remember correctly, who is involved in the music business. I think he have another daughter too, is an artist. But be that as it may, Yellowman took the gift that the big man upstairs gave him. And he defied all of the odds. Even when people had decried dancehall, Yellowman stand up in it and take it and make it into something that today we have Vybz Kartel and Beanie Man and Bounty Killer. Them man they have to pay respect to Yellowman because Yellowman is a stone where the builder refused. In fact, legends say there was a dance they made out of Gemini, and when Yellowman take the mic, the other DJ them no want to touch it because them figure say, it's like them scan him. And as a man like Josie Wales who basically say, a Yellowman will come if you listen to one night of the Gemini. And Yellowman floor everybody. And him take them opportunity them him get. Poke fun at himself, ridicule himself. And today, look at where Yellowman has become. The stone where the builder refused. It's not how you start in a life. Always remember that. It's not how you start. It's how you finish. If you like the video, click the like button. you know. And if a YouTube you watch this one, subscribe to the channel so you can get more of them tidbits here. I mean man, Mr. B says so. Respect.